Civil Authority has issued a fire warning for the following counties/areas. Macomb, Michigan. At 8:12 p.m. on June 12, 2026, effective until 12:42 a.m. June 13, 2026. Message from SmileCap. A fire warning is in effect for the city of Warren until 12:42 a.m. Saturday. At 8:12 p.m., a fast-moving commercial structure fire was reported in the city of Warren. The fire has destroyed a retail facility and is spreading rapidly eastward toward Van Dyke Avenue. Residents in the immediate path of the fire should prepare for potential evacuation. If ordered to evacuate by local authorities, do so immediately. To maintain situational awareness, utilize a battery-powered radio to monitor emergency channels, including NOAA weather radio, CB, or marine bands. Stay clear of public spaces and avoid unnecessary travel in the affected area to allow emergency vehicles unhindered access. Keep a fire extinguisher handy. Do not call 911 unless you are experiencing a direct, life-threatening emergency or an immediate fire threat.